To start off with, this is what the detail page for each exercise looks like. We always include a description to set the stage for the given exercise, give the user a brief rundown of the task at hand, and to include a starting point. This is also where we provide recommended reading material. We also include a glossary in which we gather key topics for the exercise so that users have completed the exercise can come back and remind themselves of the key takeaways later. As per the description, this exercise is about SQL injection, which is one of the topics from the OWASP Top 10 list. We'll be demonstrating the topic using a Python web application. After launching the exercise, the user sees the exercise interface. As this is a tutorial, there's a chatbot on the left, which will guide users through the solution. The purpose of a tutorial is not necessarily to pose a challenge, but rather to teach a user about a topic. The bot is connected with each exercise and is able to detect how the user progresses, as well as if they get stuck. The bot can offer hints at key points if needed and lets the user know which direction they should move towards. As a first step, the bot tells us we should try logging in with any credentials. So let's try that. As this is a tutorial about SQL injection, we're just trying to explain the basic concept. For this reason, we've included the query that is run when checking credentials. This is what we aim to exploit. Looking at the query, we can see how it was constructed from our input. Let's try the suggestion of including a quote in the data and see what happens. We managed to break the query. That looks promising. I'm pretty confident about telling the bot that yes, we can trick this into letting us log in as an admin. Indeed we can. We can try a classic SQL injection technique, modifying the query so that it doesn't actually check the password. To do that, we can follow the guidance from the bot about comments. If we simply add a comment mark after the quote that we tried in the previous attempt, we should be good to go. And we've logged in as admin. You can see the query at the bottom and can see that the password check is completely ignored because we made a comment. Now that we understand how an SQL injection attack works, we should fix our application so that it's not vulnerable anymore. To do that, we're taken to our web ID. Every piece of code the user interacts with while solving the exercise is the actual code that runs the exercise. Each exercise is its own Docker container. And whenever one has to fix code snippets, the revised snippets are what get deployed. For validating solutions, we're running unit tests in the background. This way there isn't one specific solution that is correct, and you're free to approach the problem any way you like, as long as it ends up with the correct functionality. For a simple demonstration of the code actually running, I can simply make a syntax error and then we get the output from the interpreter that the code is incorrect. In this case, we can either go about fixing the code ourselves, or, as this is a tutorial, we can ask the bot for the complete solution. For the sake of time, I'll take the bot up on its offer, updating the code based on the solution from the bot. We can arrive at the correct solution and the test is passed. As a farewell message, the bot gives us a summary of the lessons learned in this exercise. Going back to the exercise page, I can now click the Check Solution button to complete the tutorial. Upon completion, you'll be asked to provide feedback about the exercise. This can be skipped, but we're always looking for ways to improve, and feedback is a very important part of that. You can rate the structure of the task and how confident you are about the topic at hand. We're also very keen on hearing any thoughts or suggestions about the exercise in a free text format. If you like this demo, Feel free to go to your platform and challenge yourself with any one of our hundreds of exercises.